Yes, it is recording. What happened is Gauri, Shankari, Adityan, Anoop, switch on the videos, all of you. So children, so today we are going to start
Mama,
with
I
the,
have a network issue.
uh, start with the messy integers, unit 1. Okay, messy integers. Integers you have studied, no? Negative, positive numbers and all very simple questions. You just simply think and answer it. It is easy. Surabhi has been studying integers in the class. She even had a restless night trying to sort integers in her dreams. Can you help her sort the integers? Just write down the positive and negative integers. And also one more question is given. There is one integer in her dream which is bothering her the most. Can you point out that number? The troubling number goes neither in column A or not in column B, but in the circle in between. What is that?
0.
That number is neither positive nor
Or negative.
negative. So that number is 0, isn't it? So write in that columns. I think I have to take the board. Let me take. Who is that? I can't hear. Can you hear me, children?
Yes,
All of you
ma'am.
can hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So listen, children. Share screen board. Board, let me take.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, can you see me?
Oh, yes. Okay, children. We can see the answers. Write the answers in that columns. Columns are given. It is like this. Positive numbers you have to write and also the negative numbers. Negative numbers and positive numbers. Column A, column B. And here,
Ma'am, it's
positive.
messy integers, right? You started.
Yeah.
Okay.
Positive integers and here negative integers. Now this one, this side, it is all the positive integers, isn't it? So tell me what are given over there, positive integers.
Positive 2, positive 5,
Hmm.
positive 11,
Hmm.
positive 8.
8.
Hmm.
13.
13. Without sign, a number is taken as positive. 13, then 28, isn't
20.
it?
28.
28. That much only. How many numbers? 3 plus 3, 6 numbers. Anything else? No. Next one, in the middle, it will become one
0.
blank is there in the middle. There we have to write a 0, isn't it? So that 0 means it is neither positive nor negative. So 0, 0. Then we have the negative integers in the other column. That is, what are the negative integers there? Say.
Negative 3. Negative
Negative
9.
7, negative 3,
Negative 3, negative
negative
7,
9,
Negative 7.
negative
negative
9,
11,
negative 11.
isn't it? These are
Negative
the,
11, negative 3.
so negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 comes in the middle. That is neither positive nor negative. Okay. Now read the next question and tell me the
What's
answer.
the page number?
Same first page, unit 1. First one. Messy integers, page number 9, I think. It's the first unit 1.
I'm done.
Okay. Then next question you read. Coding.
Yeah, told us that it's not done.
Coding.
I'm decode. I finished.
Coding, decode the secret message. If rice is coded as 6821, chair is coded 9146, and reach is coded 61473, what will be the code of teacher?
Ma'am, is it 9147-316?
Okay.
9147-316.
What is the number? 914 7316. Okay. Just what is the question? Question is only teacher. We want the letter numbers representing these letters, isn't it? So T is what? First one. T is there in tier. So T represents 9, and E is also there in tier 1. Then A is also there in tier 4. Now C is where? C is in reach. So that reach. So it is 7. C is 7 there. Then H. H is also there. 3. H is 3.
3.
And E is again we know 1. E is 1. And what is R? Tier. R is there 6. So answer is 9147316. Okay. Now. Next page, you take next page.
Unit 2.
Unit 2.
Rainbow integers.
Rainbow integers. Rainbow integers.
Ma'am, we no need to do that. Did you know?
Which one? That is simply given for your information. Isn't it? Read it. That's all. Okay. What is that? Read. Simply read it. What is? We forget 50% of our dreams within 5 minutes of waking up and 100% within 10 minutes. And not everyone dreams in color. 40% people dream in black and white. I dream in color only. Okay.
I also, ma'am.
Okay.
Sometimes
I
Me too.
think everybody is dreaming in colors. No, usual daily
My
thoughts
dream.
is coming as dreams. I used to dream in color only. No black and white
Ma'am?
pictures used to come.
Ma'am, sometimes I get dreams of black and white.
Oh, very good. So you are
Ma'am,
under that
will
50%
be,
people.
ma'am, black and white dreams are always sad dreams for me.
Okay. So next one, rainbow integers. Solve the questions in the image below. Next, identify the integers and then color all sections with positive integers yellow and all sections with negative integers red. Okay, positive with yellow
color pencil.
and negative with
I'm
red.
done.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me ask you the answers. Then, this part left side it is given -1, -1. So what is the answer for that?
Positive 2.
Positive.
Positive 2.
Yellow color.
No.
No, no, no.
No, negative
Negative 1 plus
Ma'am,
-1.
negative 2. Negative
Negative
Answer
2.
is -2. So you have yellow, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, red. Negatives are with red. Okay, red color. Next one was positive 50. So it is yellow. And next is negative 12. That is red. And the next one, -6 into -2. What is the answer?
12. Positive 12.
Positive 12.
Positive 12.
Negative into negative, positive. So negative into negative,
Yellow.
positive 12. What is the color then?
Yellow.
Color is yellow. Okay. Then next one, right side. Right side, it is given -5 plus 4. What is the answer?
Negative 1.
-1. What
Negative
is the
1.
color?
Red.
Color is
Red.
red. Then 24 is a positive integer. So color is yellow. Next one, it is -2 plus 3.
Positive 1.
Positive 1. Isn't it? Find the difference and put the sign of the greater number.
Red.
So positive 1, red.
Yellow. Yellow.
Positives are with
Yellow.
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 Yellow. Okay, yellow. And -10, that is with
Red.
Red.
okay. So don't start coloring now. You can color it later after this period.
I'm
Okay.
colored. I finished only.
Very good. So if you have colored, it's good. You color it after this period. Actually, this exercise we used to do with the equations, simple equations. When you do, we used to do with this one, this type of figures. Different colors of balloons will be there. Balloons will be given in black and white, and the equations will be given on one side. Solutions will be given on the other side. And you'll be coloring the same, the answers for that equations is the same color, question and answer in the same color. Okay, so that is it. And then next one, read it. Second question.
Advait.
Magic squares.
Not that. Second question.
Advaita tortoise in Alipur,
Yeah.
Kolkata has the longest record lifespan in the world. She lived for more than 200 years. I'm Tapu the tortoise. Although I'm not as old as Advaita was, can you guess my age with the help of clues given below? Both my digits are odd. One of my digits is 3. My tens place is 3 times the digit at the ones place. I am more than 50 years old, but less than 100 years.
So
93.
find out.
It's 93.
Yes.
93.
Yes,
93.
you can guess it, no? You can guess the answer.
Yes.
Okay, again, I'll explain it. See here, we can see that. What are the clues given? Both are odd.
odd.
Both digits are odd. Okay.
One
Both
of the digit is 3.
digits are odd. And one is 3.
3.
And the
Tens place is
digit,
three
tens
times the
place
digit.
is 3
3 times
times
that one's place.
of one's place.
One's place.
Okay, one.
He's more than 50 years and less than
it is
100.
between 50 and 100. This is the clue given. So both digits are odd. Okay. So if you take 1 is 3. 1 is 3. If suppose tens place, if you take 3, then one's place should be 1, isn't it? Tens place, if you take 3, what are the odd numbers? Both are odd. So 1 and 3, if you take 1, 3 times 1 is 3. Like that, 31 will come, but it does not match this clue. Okay, so we can take a number above 50. So what will you get? Then we will put, then the number will be in tens place, right?
Yes.
We understood it is not in tens place. Number 3 is not in tens place. Then we understood it should be in ones place. So what is 3 times 3?
9.
9. So answer is 93.
93.
93, I will write properly. Okay, 93. Answer is 93.
3.
Okay, so now we can go back to our portion.
I'm don't run.
Okay,
Only 2 we are doing?
unit 1 and unit 2. Then all Saturdays we'll take like this. Okay, every Saturday we can utilize some time for
Ma'am, magic square, the next class.
next class we'll do. Okay. Okay, now let me, you take your notes, all of you. You take the maths note. We have to continue with, I think we have finished that set of exercises and we have to start with circles, right?
Ma'am, you gave one homework.
We completed.
One more question was
Ma'am,
there.
in remedial class you gave one homework.
Yes. One more question was there, no? I think so.
Isosceles triangle.
Last question was there.
Yes, ma'am. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle.
Yes. What is the answer you got? Same type of
27 centimeter square.
yes. Same type, no? As we discussed in the class. One was discussed in the class. One question of that, right? Did I discuss about triangles? Area of
Yes,
triangle?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer is area will be 27.
27 centimeters.
Half into 6
27.
into 9. Half into 6 into 9, isn't it?
Ma'am, so the length height of C from AB.
Area is 27 centimeter. And
Yes.
height.
1 minute. Area is
Can you
centimeter
say the
square.
page number in text?
Page number 217. The figure is given like this, and there is an altitude drawn towards the base. It is here. This is an altitude drawn towards the base. That is
Ma'am.
BDC. BDC, and this is given 9 centimeter. And also there is another altitude CE to this one. CE is another altitude to that.
Ma'am, can you repeat the page number again?
Repeat the page number.
270.
217.
270. 7.5 centimeters. Now this is perpendicular.
Ma'am,
Here also perpendicular.
ma'am, can you repeat it? I has a network issue.
217 is the page number. I have given a homework. We are discussing that.
Okay, ma'am.
This last period, that is on Thursday, I have given, we couldn't solve it. I told you to do it yourself. That's problem. 7.5 is the other. So this one, first one, it is given 6 centimeter is the measure given for that altitude. So here it is very clear. First what we have to do, question is to find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. What is that? We can use height and altitude, what is given. Okay. So we know the base is, we know that the base, this base is given, that is 9 centimeter. Okay. And the height towards that base is given already. That is 6 centimeter. So half into base into height is the area for the triangle. So what is that? Half into base is what? 9. Height is
Half in
6.
9 into 6.
So
27 centimeters
yes,
square.
2 3s are 6. So 9 into 3, 27 centimeter square.
Square.
Okay. 9 into 7 is 27 centimeters square is the answer. That is the area of the
Ma'am,
triangle.
ma'am,
Now,
so what is the length from C?
so,
Ma'am, now we have to
know,
find the height.
Okay, listen. We know that this is the triangle. I'll just try to color it. Oh, it will go.
What is the page
Okay.
number?
So, page number 217. Okay. So we know that the area of the triangle is 27 centimeters square. But whatever be the base and whatever be the height, the area of the triangle remains the same because the same triangle we are doing with. So what we do, what is asked, next what is asked to find out?
Height.
Height of the other side. So let us see what is the height. This is the base given to it. And
Half
this is
into
the height given to
7.5.
it. Okay. So
Height is equal
then
to
area of the
7.5
triangle, listen to me, area of the triangle is also equal to this base and this height, isn't it? Half into base into height. That can be of any side. That is the area of the triangle. So half into base is 7.5 and altitude to that side is CE. We don't know the measure. That is also equal to this 27 centimeter square. If you calculate this also, it should be equal to 27 centimeters square because that is the area of the triangle, isn't it? So what is CE? CE is equal to 27 divided by 7.5, isn't it? Into 2 by 1. I told you when you transpose what happens? It goes to the other side, it will become upside down. Isn't it? Reciprocal. So find out CE from that. Here, decimal division. Be careful. When doing decimal division, what do we do usually? We remove the decimal place from the denominator. Multiply by 10. Both sides. So what you will get? Then one more 2 is also there, no? Into 2 also is coming. So 2 into 540 by 75.
75.
Divide and find out the answer. Decimal, you have to remove the decimal place from the denominator and then do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am is 720,
Answer is
7.20.
7.20 centimeters, isn't it? 7.2 centimeters, correct. So answer is 7.2 centimeters. Okay, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll pass on to the next topic, that is circles. Yes. Okay, children, listen. Here I have drawn a circle. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Unfortunately, there is a, I cannot rub that. That is a, there is a circle. Okay. It's a circle in that. When I put a dot inside, what is this known as?
Sender.
Sender.
That is known as the center of the circle, isn't it? Center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Then if I join that center to one of the point in the circle,
Radius.
that is known as
Radius.
the radius
Radius.
of the circle. How many radius can I draw?
Many.
How many?
You cannot count, no? So many radius can be drawn. Lot of radius. All this represents radius, isn't it? From the
Yes.
center. Okay, starting from the center. Now, if I draw a line joining one point of the circle to the other point of the circle through
Diameter.
Meter.
the
Diameter.
center, that is known as diameter, isn't it? That is known as
Yes.
diameter. Okay. Now you know what is a center, what is radius, and what is diameter. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now we'll see if I am drawing a circle. Suppose circle is drawn like this. I'm rough hand. I'm drawing a circle. I put the center. I have the radius, everything. Now, I'm cutting the circle. Here you see this wire. Suppose I'm forming a circle using this wire. Clear? Can you see the board? Can you
Yes.
see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, I'm forming a circle using this wire. Now see how much length I have used? This much. See my hands. That is the measure. Okay. Using this much length, I have made a circle. Clear? I have made a circle. I am cutting it on one side and stretching it. I will get a straight line, right?
Yes.
There is a measure for
Yes.
this. There is a length for this. Huh? There is a length for this. If I cut the circle on one end and stretch it on a scale, I will get a length. That is known as
Circumference.
circumference, or we can call it perimeter of that figure, isn't it? Perimeter, that is boundary, length of the boundary. What is the meaning of length of the boundary? What is the meant by length of the boundary? It is perimeter of that figure, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
perimeter of the circle. We don't call it as perimeter of the circle. There is a name called circumference. What is it called?
Circumference.
Okay. So, the circle, I am taking, see this wire. This will consider it as a circle. Now, I have made a circle. I'll cut on one side. I'll stretch it on a scale like this. I can measure the length. So, that is length of the circle. That circle is known as the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle. I'll rub it and write it neatly. So circumference of the circle. Circumference means what? That is the
Perimeter.
Perimeter
of the circle.
around
Actually,
circle.
the rectangle, we say it is a perimeter of the rectangle. We add all the sides, isn't it? I told there was a problem regarding that, no? When we cut the rectangle and rebend into the shape of a square. So there you understood what is perimeter. What means length of the boundary. When you stretch it, you will get the length. So same way, circle also you can cut on one end and stretch it, you will get the length of the circle, length of the boundary of the circular figure. That is known as the circumference of the circle. So you know what is diameter, what is radius, and what is circumference of the circle. Okay. Now there is a relationship between circumference and diameter of the circle. There is a relationship between circumference and the diameter of that circle, same circle. Okay. So let us see that it's, what is the time? 12:52. Let me take attendance. If I start, I need around 10 minutes to describe that.
Okay, ma'am.
So we can stop here. Next period, one more period is there, no? So we can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
4:20 to 5.
Okay. That period, everybody should be there. Okay. It's evening period. Don't skip
Okay, ma'am.
because it's important. It is important.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Go to
we will derive a formula for circumference. So don't be absent.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So.
Okay, ma'am.
mm, Children, Sri Ram was present, Adityan Anoop was present, Abhinand Krishna. Abhinand?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Abhinav Bijoy,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav PA. Abhinav PA, absent. Ahmad Afin. Afin is absent too long for so many days. Why? Ahmad Afin absent. I've been absent. Then Albert Jojo. Albert, what happened to him? Hamal Anthony.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
In science period, it is put absent for you. Why?
He was not there.
Ma'am, because for Christians, style 11 and one thing is there. For that, we go to church.
Amna Shirin. Amna.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anan Haji.
Present, ma'am.
Angelia is there.
Yes.
Anthony Babu.
Present.
Yes, yes. Anusha Latish,
Present.
Arjun MR.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Ayan. Hassan is present. Yes, Benedict. Absent. Carlin Matthew
Present, ma'am.
and Dilla Darshan. Present. Emelina Rose. Emelina.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Ishal. Present. Gauri Parvati is present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Gogul Krishna. Gogul Krishna is absent.
Present.
Okay. Yessa is present.
Present, ma'am.
Ijaji Viraj is present.
Present, ma'am.
Johain is present, no?
Absent.
Yes. Johain, I didn't see here. Johain is present?
Johann is absent.
Ah, she's absent.
No, ma'am, she was there.
Now she is not there.
What happened to her? Okay, we'll see. I mark it next period. Krishna Kripa, present. Malaviga,
Present, ma'am.
then Milan K. Jain. Milan, absent. Niziad, present.
Present.
Okay, Nelvin K. Anu, present. Lakshmi is present.
Ma'am,
Lakshmi,
Miss Ya's name is Sunid.
Ended.
I saw her. Lakshmi was there, no?
Ma'am, now she's not there.
Now she's not there.
Now she's not there. She was
Then
there.
absent. Parthiv,
Present.
okay.
Present.
Yes, Parvati is present. Prajida,
Present.
Present.
Pranavatmak is present.
Present.
Yes. Then Rudra Sunil.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Rudra. Shifana,
Absent.
absent. Shreya, present, I think. Shreya is present.
Shreya present.
Srihari,
Absent.
absent. Tanmay,
Present.
Uma is present. Absent.
Absent.
Vaishnav Suresh.
Absent.
Absent.
Okay, Gauri Shankari is present, no?
Present.
Present.
Yes. Okay, so see you children.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
2
ma'am.
minutes early.
you, ma'am.
Had your lunch?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, so have your lunch. Next period, one more period is there.
Yes,
In the
4:20.
evening, no?
20 to 5 o'clock.
Ma'am, today Hindi students have 5 classes.
Hindi students have. Malayalam students don't have.
4 classes.
That they have, Malayalam teachers have 10th standard revision, full day. So, that's why they are not.
No, that day for Hindi 2 period, for Malayalam 3.
Some changes
Thank
will
you,
be there
ma'am.
because, okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye and have your
Bye.
lunch.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Love
ma'am.
you all.